Florence, Italy, 1921. A young man named Guccio Gucci stands inside a small leather workshop, watching wealthy travelers pass through the city with polished suitcases, refined shoes, and an unmistakable aura of elegance. He notices something others overlook. It's not just what they wear. It's what they carry that tells their story. That single observation becomes the spark of a legacy. And today, Gucci is our story song. Guccio Gucci didn't start with fame or fortune. He worked as a porter in luxury hotels in London and Paris. There, he carried luggage for the world's elite, aristocrats, businessmen, and celebrities. But instead of feeling small around them, he studied them. What do they value? What do they trust? What makes them stand out? And the answer was always the same: craftsmanship, identity, prestige. When he returned to Florence, he didn't come back the same man. He came back with a vision. In 1921, he opened a small leather goods shop, creating finely crafted luggage, saddles, and bags inspired by the elegance he had seen abroad. That was the birth of what would become a global empire: Gucci. At first, success was slow. Italy was recovering from economic hardship after World War I. Luxury goods were not a priority for most people. Materials were expensive. Competition was strong. But Guccio believed in one principle: luxury is not about price, it is about perception. So he focused on quality over quantity. Every bag was stitched with precision. Every leather piece was selected carefully. Every product told a story of craftsmanship. Slowly, word spread. The elite began to notice war, scarcity, and innovation. Then came World War II. Materials like leather became scarce. Many luxury brands collapsed, but Gucci adapted. Instead of giving up, the brand innovated, using unconventional materials like canvas and hemp while still maintaining elegance. This is where the iconic green-red-green stripe pattern was born, inspired by equestrian culture. What began as limitation turned into identity. Scarcity created creativity. If you are enjoying this story, take a second to support Story Songs. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. Drop a comment below and tell me what part of this story hit you the most. And if you know someone who loves business or success stories, share this video with them. Also, if you want the full written version of this story, you can download the PDF from the pinned comment below. Now, let's continue. By the 1950s and 60s, Gucci had transformed from a small Florentine workshop into a symbol of international luxury. Hollywood noticed. Stars carried Gucci bags in films and on red carpets. The brand became synonymous with wealth, status, and timeless style. But with success came tension. Inside the Gucci family, conflict grew over control of the brand. Power struggles, disagreements, and ambition began to fracture what was built with passion. Luxury had become a battlefield. By the 1980s and early 90s, the brand faced decline. Overexpansion weakened its identity. Internal conflicts damaged its image. The once cohesive symbol of luxury was losing direction. It seemed like Gucci might fade into history, but fashion rarely dies, it evolves. A bold reinvention came through new creative direction, modern design language, and a return to bold identity. Gucci didn't just survive, it was reborn. Luxury is not created in moments of comfort. It is built in observation, struggle, and persistence. And sometimes, the most powerful empires begin with a simple question: what if I made this better myself? Don't miss our next story. Subscribe now. Don't miss our next story. Subscribe now.